Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to change screen resolution and size in Windows 11. Perfect if your display looks blurry or text is too small. We'll go step by step to adjust your screen settings, and I'll share some tips to avoid common issues. Let's get your display looking just right, stick with me, and let's get started. Alright, let's dive in. First, click the Start button, that Windows icon on your taskbar, and select Settings. Go to System and click Display. To change the resolution, look for Display Resolution, click the drop-down, and choose a new resolution like 1920 x 1080, which is often recommended. Click Apply to save. Now, to adjust the size of text and apps, go to Scale. Just above, click the drop-down and select a percentage like 125% to make things larger. If the changes don't apply, try restarting your PC. Sometimes a reboot helps the settings take effect. One tip: if your screen looks distorted after changing the resolution, revert to the recommended setting to avoid display issues. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support encourages me to keep creating content like this, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments which resolution you picked. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.